Hello, hello, hello. This is Alice coming from Bemis Crafty Corner with just a quick little shop update. So I've had a lot of people asking me when I was going to get these back in, and it's been a while since I've had them, but I did get them back in. These are the click letters in the upper and lower case. Now, normally I would sell them $5 for each set, so you get $5 for the capitals, $5 for the lowercase, and then it would be $2 for the numbers. But I'm going to just be selling the sets, and the set is $10, so you get you basically get the numbers for free because each set is $5. So there's your $10 right there, and you'll get the numbers for free. So I have 3 sets of those in the shop, linked in the description below. Another item that I have in the store are these cute little vintage style clothespins. They are about 3/8 of an inch thick. They're about a 1/2 inch wide, and they're about 2.5 inches long. Absolutely adorable. Could see these in, used as bookmarks and things like that. So I have those in there. There's 10 of them in the pack. Really inexpensive. I also have in these, I've done the Alice in Wonderland ones, and they sell pretty good. So I went ahead and I ordered these in, and these are the Wizard of Oz. It's the first time I've ever had them in the store. They're brand new. But they are stinking adorable, and there are 20 of them on each sheet. So you have 20, 40, 60, 80 on the 4 sheets. You get all 4 sheets. One price. So those are in the shop as well. Also, I have 1 set of Tim Holtz cling stamps. This is Mimi worn text. It is brand new, unused. It's a, it's a return item because the package is damaged. But as you can see, they're not used. They haven't been poked out of here or anything. So these are the cling rubber stamps. Those are in the shop as well. I also have the ceramic pens back in. I've got, I think, 4 or 5 of these in stock. That's all I've got in stock. So, just a quick update to the shop. There are some other laces and things in there, too, that are brand new. And I'm going to be adding some pretty unique grab bags. Basically, what they're going to be is they're going to be orders that people have made and haven't paid for. So if somebody's ordered something from me and then they've ghosted and I can't find them or whatever, I will take the names, any names or anything that are in them identifiable off. And I'm going to be putting them in to the shop. It'll be just one listing. It'll say grab bag on it. And there'll be $5, $10, $15, $20 grab bags available. You just hit the drop down menu and pick the one that you want, and I'll send you one bulk bag. Because I have about 20, 25 different orders that have not been paid for that are sitting out in my warehouse that I just haven't put back on the shelf. And rather than put them on the shelf, I'd rather pass it on to you guys. So it may be it may be a loss to me, but it'll be a gain to you. These will be coming in. You see these probably, I would say Friday. Tomorrow, okay? I'll start putting these in. The very latest, they'll be in Saturday. So that's all I have for you guys. Just some updates on some of the new things that are in the store and some of the things that I'm adding to the store. I am working on some Halloween kits, and I am going to be putting in some canvas books, some 5x7 canvas books, and possibly some 4x6s. So look for those over the weekend as well. That's it, guys. That's all I have for you. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out. Links to all of these items will be in the description below, as well as a link to my general store. That's it. Until I see you again, do me a favor. If you need somebody to talk to, reach out to me, Elsbeth Talon on Facebook. I'll be happy to sit and chat with you for as long as you need me. Hit the red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Bye-bye.